There have been allegations particularly that have been made by you over the past 3-4 days that some government officials over the past few years have sort of given preference to some of the other exchanges over MCX. So could you just elaborate on that? How are you saying it, on what basis, and who are these people that you're talking about?
I was referring to a note recorded by the Joint Secretary Capital Markets Division of the Ministry of Finance, Dr. K.P. Krishnan. He recorded a note in December 2007, if I remember right. His suggestion on file was that LIC and NABARD, which were owning 15% stake, equity stake in NCDEX. Remember, LIC and NABARD are public sector organizations. Krishnan proposed that 5 to 6% of the equity stake of LIC, 5 to 6% equity stake of NABARD should be transferred to National Stock Exchange. Now, National Stock Exchange is a private exchange like MCX, operating in the stock arena and the securities arena. The suggestion was that if they do this, then National Stock Exchange will be in a better position to drive NCDEX to, they have 15%, if they get another 10%, 11%, they become 26% holders, they will be in a better position to drive NCDEX in its competition with MCX. Now, such a proposal on government file is preposterous. A government official is expected to be neutral, objective. What has the Joint Secretary Capital Markets to do with the commodities market? NCDEX is operating in the commodities market. MCX is operating in the commodities market. He had not taken the permission of the Ministry of Consumer Affairs or of the Forward Markets Commission while making this proposal. So I found this proposal absolutely something which is undreamt of. I have been a bureaucrat for 39 years in the IAS. I retired from the IAS 16 years ago, and I've been in the private sector since then. I have never seen such a proposal. And this note was approved by the Secretary of Finance, the then Secretary of Financial Services, Mr. Vinod Rai. It was further approved by the then Finance Secretary, Mr. D. Subbarao, and it was finally approved by the Finance Minister,